Hey Derek, my name is Michelle. I keep going round and round with my husband, having the same arguments. It's very frustrating and hurtful. So Derek, why do we keep doing this?
Michelle, the least effective thing you can do to solve your conflict is to keep talking to each other about the conflict. It never helps. You still blame each other, criticize each other, don't hear each other, and don't feel compassion from each other. Your relationship is stuck right there. You must have very specific training to get out of this mess. I want you to get on my calendar this week and I'll show you exactly what to do to stop the blame game. It's really easy and most people understand in 1 hour how to do it. Let me show you how before you get divorced. Click below and I'll see you soon. Let's get on it.